Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Solanki, and today in this video we'll be launching Trollface coin on Solana with 3 simple steps that I'll be teaching you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's go right onto my laptop. So let's start creating our cryptocurrency. Now there are these 3 steps. Let's start following with the number 1 step. Over here, the first step that we need to follow is buy Solana. That is what we'll be using in order to create our cryptocurrency. So let's buy Solana on a centralized exchange like Binance. If you already are using some other centralized exchanges, that's completely fine. But the main point is buying Solana. So I'll talk about Binance over here. How do you buy cryptocurrencies on Binance? Go over to buy and sell of Binance once you have created your account, and then just select INR or whichever currency you have and select USDT. Alright, you also have an option to buy it using UPI. So if Indian viewers are watching this video, you can buy this through UPI as well. Once you have some USDT in your wallet, the next thing that you need to do is go over to markets, and then next is search for Solana USDT pair, and then you have to buy Solana using the USDT that you've purchased. Alright, so how do you buy it? You just come over here, select market, select all the USDT that you want to use, and then just buy Solana. Now let's move over to the next step. The next step is create a Phantom wallet. That is a decentralized wallet that we'll be using on Solana network in order to create our cryptocurrency. So just search for Phantom wallet, and after that just install this on your browser. It's available on Chrome, it's available on Brave. So now once you've installed it, it will show you something like this. I've already created my wallet, so that is how it looks like. Now the next thing that you want to do is transfer your Solana coin to your Phantom wallet. So let's understand how to do that as well. So go over to Binance, over to dashboard, and then from dashboard you need to transfer your Solana. So over here I already have Solana with me. I'll just come over here on assets, spot, that is where you'll find your Solana, and then click on withdraw. Alright, so after you click on withdraw, all you have to do is copy your Solana wallet address. You can already see it over here. Copy it, paste it in the address book. It will automatically detect that it is a Solana wallet, and then select the amount of Solana coins that you want to deposit in this wallet. Over here, just for tutorial purposes, I'll just select 0.1 Solana and let's click on withdraw. It will take some time, but after that it will show up on your Phantom wallet. Alright. Now once the withdrawal is done, let's move over to the second step. So over here, the second step is to go over to pump.fun. Now this is a platform that will help you in launching your cryptocurrencies without writing a single line of code. And here the best part is it does a fair launch for everyone involved. So there is no team allocation, everyone gets a fair chance to invest in a token, and yeah, that is what pump.fun is all about. So let's just go over to pump.fun, and over here you'll see a button which is called start a new coin. Let's press over there, and here you need to fill out certain description about your token. It's as simple as that. Pump.fun takes around $1 or $2 to launch the coin, which is not much. So let's start with our own token. So I'll just fill in the details of my token, which is Trollface coin. The ticker is going to be TFC. For the description, this is the next 1000x meme coin. Grab it now. Alright, next is image. So this is the image of your token that you want to keep. Let me just search for Trollface. There you go. And here there is an error that's coming up. Connect your wallet and sign in to upload a file. So let's just connect our wallet. You can see a small button over here. It will prompt you with Phantom wallet. Let's just confirm and connect our wallet with the website. Once you've connected it, you can then select the file. So I've selected the file. There are more options over here. Let's add our website, which is trollfacecoin.com. Then there's Telegram link. If you have a Discord community, a Telegram community, you can add it over here. Even a Twitter link, if you have one, you can add it over here. Once you've done all of those things, just click on create coin. Now you can also buy into your coin before anyone else does, so that you can save yourself from bots that keep on sniping on your cryptocurrency. Optionally, you can buy say 0.5 or 1 Solana worth of your tokens. Now after that, just click on create coin and it will prompt you with the transaction and you can go ahead confirming it. Well, there you go. You've launched your own cryptocurrency on Pump.fun. Let's look at our cryptocurrency now. You can click on view coin and here all the details are present. There are some trading activities that have been going on over here as well. There's our Twitter link. You can go and support us over there. We have our Telegram or Discord community. We have our website. Every single thing is present over there. So Trollface coin is one meme coin that I'll be launching, and if you want to go invest in this token, you can go ahead and do so. So after this, what is the next step? There are a bunch of things that I've still not revealed. So let's go over to the third step, and that is on how to buy meme coins on Pump.fun. Now it is as simple as just connecting your wallet, which I've already done, then selecting buy or sell, and then selecting the amount of Solana tokens that you want to invest, say 0.2, 0.1, whatever it is, you can select based on how much you want to invest and then place the trade. Once you place the trade, you will see your wallet address over here. Currently, I own around 3.5% of the entire supply, and if you put in more money, you can also own more than that. So yeah, that is basically how Pump.fun works and how it is a fair launch. Now, the main thing over here is the bonding curve. So what does it actually mean by bonding curve? Well, right now, if you buy Trollface coin, you will directly get it in your Phantom wallet. So over here, you can see I have 34 million tokens of Trollface coin. So yes, I have those tokens with me, but as you can see, it's not worth anything over here directly on my Phantom wallet. When will it be worth something? When this bonding curve reaches 100%. Till then, I can sell these tokens on Pump.fun itself and I won't be able to connect it with Raydium. So yeah, that's how Pump.fun works. Well, what is the limit for bonding curve? Right now, it is, I think, around $100,000 of market cap. We've already reached $7,000. So it's just a matter of time when it reaches $100,000. The entire liquidity pool gets locked and posted on Raydium for everyone to buy. So even now, you can buy this token by going over to the link in my description as well as in the pinned comments. So if you like this video, then do press the like button, go support Trollface coin, and yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Press the subscribe button for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.